Welcome to the last 30 days vlogs. So today, my laundry's getting done. There's a woman coming by. She charges $1.50 to wash 12 articles of clothing. It's like not like underwear, like bras, stuff like that. I'm talking like regular like shirts, pants. I'm washing all of my like underwear. It's kind of what I prefer. So I was told the woman would be here at 12. It is 10:37. Forgot a pair of pants, I forgot a pair of pants, I forgot a pair of pants. Oh. Love this carpet. Yes. It's just so soft. Going to my other house to do some laundry. That's my old house. That balcony over there, that's where I'm gonna be washing. So today I also need to film a video audition. It's still early morning, it's not even 11 o'clock yet. In here, it's like set up. It's made for this. Yes. Do I look preppy yet? I think I did this wrong, hold on. Looks like I don't know how to put pants on, I just tied them around my neck. Hey you. Hey you. Look at you go. Hola, Eric. Hola. I love how filming looks out here. Also, this is my view every time I do laundry. I mean, like, this is directly in front of me, but if I just, like, look to the side. So take your dry soap, put in here. Turn your water on. And just dry your underwear. Or in my case, my socks. Bar of soap. There's this soap and this soap. This soap goes in the water. This soap, you take out your item, like so. Or I guess, let's put the dirty side up. And you just kind of, I can't do it with one hand, but you rub it across so you really get the soap in there. Use a brush, and you wash all of this by hand. Whoa. He's doing this. He's really, wow. 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 Yeah. Just had lunch. Back to washing. I'm gonna wash my shoes next. This one is washed. This one isn't. Oh my! Like this is the cleanest they've been since I bought them, and they're pretty old. Oh my word! It's 3:47 and I just finished doing laundry. Yay! Es como un melón porque parece como un mango.
Casi, pero no es.
No.
Ajá.
Last one. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully. Ah, that was rough. Crap. Say I'm filming this audition, but I have my pajama pants on under my dress. You got it. You got it. Come on, man. You got it. So now I'm gonna shower, and I just realized there's a window right next to the shower. That right there, that is the walkway next to the house. If someone walks by, they could totally see me showering. It's Harry Potter.